Today we are going to show you how to use points in your quiz. Once you set up your points, you can use them to display content or products conditionally in your advanced logic. So to get started, this is the quiz that we have set up. It's an animal personality quiz. You can get 3 different personalities. You can get either a dog, a cat, or a fish. And we have the content blocks here with an image for each. And the way that we have set this up is that we have 4 different questions, and each one of those questions has 3 possible answers. And the first answer refers to the dog personality, the second one to cat, and the third one to fish. Now that our quiz is set up, let's go to the points tab here at the top and let's start setting up our points. So click on create your first dimension. This will be our first personality, so dog. Then we'll have one for cat and add one for fish. You can see that this has created a table here with all 3 possible personalities and the points that they will get based on each answer. Since we have 1 answer for dog, 1 for cat, and 1 for fish, let's set those points accordingly. So the first answer will count 1 toward dog, second one 1 for cat, and third one 1 for fish. You can set up the points here however you like. For instance, if we wanted the first question, the first answer to count 5 toward dog, we could set that up. But for this example, let's go with 1. Let's do the same thing for all the other ones. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1. Now, these are the points that will be counted toward each personality. They are all set up the same way since the answers all have the same order. Click here on preview. We can see how our quiz will work. So for instance, for the first question, if we select dog, the second one will go with cat, third one with fish, and fourth one with dog again. We can see that the totals for dog were 2, then 1 for cat, and 1 for fish. This is a simulation of our quiz. Back to the build tab. We'll now set up the results so that each block is shown if they get the highest amount of points. So let's go first to the dog block, then to logic here on the right, add rules, and here you can either use the quiz answers conditionally or use the points that you just set up. Let's go with points. We can see the 3 different personalities, the 3 different dimensions that we set up. Let's select dog. And these are the comparisons we can use. We can use either less than, more or equal to, equal, less or equal to, more than, between, or is highest. Let's go with is highest. So what this means is that if dog gets the most points, then the dog block will be shown. Let's do that for cat as well. So add rules, points, cat is highest. And finally, let's do that for fish. Quiz points, fish is highest. Saved our quiz, so let's test it and see what happens in the preview here. For the first question, let's go with dog, second one cat, third one fish, and for the fourth one, let's go with cat again. You see that as expected, we got the cat block. Say now we want the fish personality. Let's just select everything for fish, 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 fish. As expected, we now got the fish personality. So this is just an example of what you can do with the points quiz. If you go here to dog block, you can clear this out and select so that if dog gets equals or more than 3 points, then dog will be shown. Now the way that this will work is that you need to go here to the preview, and let's get 3 points for dog here. And you see that we now got the dog personality.